Why the mind chases craving is not desire. It is the grasping around desire. If Lesson 1 was the diagnosis, Lesson 2 is the mechanism. The Buddha's claim is not only that human life contains dukkha, it is that dukkha has a cause. That cause is tanha, usually translated as craving. Craving is easy to misunderstand. It does not mean every wish is bad. It does not mean you should stop enjoying food, stop trying at work, stop wanting your friends to be happy, or stop caring about your life. Buddhism is not training you to become blank. Craving is the tightening around desire. It is the moment wanting turns into, I need this to be okay. I need this person to see me correctly. I need this feeling to stay. I need this discomfort to vanish right now. I need a better self than the one currently sitting here. Desire can be simple. Craving makes it sticky. The three textures of craving. In SN 5611, the Buddha names three forms of craving. First is craving for sensual pleasure, kama tanha. This is the easiest one to recognize. Food, sex, music, comfort, praise, money, novelty, the phone, the next thing. The object is not the real problem. The problem is the mind saying, if I get enough of this, I will finally feel complete. Second is craving for becoming, bhava tanha. This one is sneakier. It is the craving to become someone. Respected, attractive, calm, successful, spiritual, unbothered, impressive, safe. A lot of self-improvement lives here. Even meditation can become bhavatanha if the secret project is become the person who is good at meditation. Third is craving for non-becoming, vibhavatanha. This is the craving to get rid of experience. I do not want this feeling, this memory, this body, this embarrassment, this anxiety, this version of myself. It can look like numbness, doom-scrolling, rage, dissociation, or the fantasy of disappearing and starting over. These three are not exotic Buddhist categories. They are Tuesday. I want pleasure. I want to be somebody. I want this to stop. Craving makes the world feel like the cure. The strange thing about craving is that it points outward. It says, the problem is out there. The solution is also out there. Change the object. Win the person. Get the status. Remove the discomfort. And the ache will end. Sometimes the outer change is useful. If you are hungry, eat. If you are in a bad situation, leave. If your life is disorganized, clean it up. Buddhism is not asking you to ignore reality, but craving has a pattern. Even after it gets the thing, it keeps moving. You wanted the message. Now you want the tone to be warmer. You wanted the job. Now you want the title. You wanted the apartment. Now you want the better view. You wanted meditation to calm you down. Now you want the calm to last all day. This does not mean you are broken. It means craving is not satisfied by objects for very long, because craving is a mode of relating, not just a lack of stuff. Thai forest practice is blunt about this. The mind goes out, grabs, gets burned, and goes out again. The work is to see the movement clearly enough that you do not have to obey it every time. Wanting without clinging. So are Buddhists supposed to want nothing? No. There is a difference between intention and craving. You can intend to study, train, love, build, repair, apologize, rest, earn money, or protect someone without making your peace depend entirely on the outcome. This distinction is delicate, but it is not abstract. Wanting says, this would be good. Craving says, I cannot be okay unless this happens. Wanting can respond to reality. Craving argues with it. Wanting can release. Craving rehearses. Wanting can be guided by wisdom. Craving recruits the whole body into urgency. You do not have to solve craving by hating desire. That just creates a spiritual version of craving for non-becoming. I want to get rid of the part of me that wants. The first move is softer and more precise. Learn to feel craving as craving. The body knows first. Craving is not only a thought, it has a body signature. It may feel like leaning forward internally, tightness in the throat, heat in the face, restless thumbs, a tunnel around one outcome, a sudden inability to care about anything except the thing the mind wants. This is useful. The body often tells the truth before the story does. The next time craving appears, try asking, "What is the mind promising me? What does it say I will finally feel if I get this? What does it say will happen if I do not?" The answers may be dramatic. Craving is not known for its calm, legal reasoning. It tends to speak in ultimatums. Always, never. Ruined, saved, finally, forever. Hearing that tone is part of waking up. Practice. Pick one small craving to track for 24 hours. Not your largest wound. Not the whole architecture of your personality. Pick something simple. Checking a notification, replaying a comment, snacking when you are not hungry, refreshing a number, trying to win an imaginary argument. When it appears, pause and label it. Craving is here as Zyklidre Brit. Then notice three things. What does it feel like in the body? What story is it telling? Does it stay the same when watched? You are not trying to crush it. You are learning its shape. Reflection. Which form of craving is most familiar right now? Sense pleasure, becoming, or non-becoming? What does that craving promise you? What happens if you do not immediately obey it?